Hello and welcome back to WePC. Now, the Xbox One controller is regarded to as one of the most ergonomic and versatile controllers on the market, with many games specifically not lending themselves towards a keyboard and mouse such as racing games and fighting games. You may want to connect an Xbox One controller to your PC to take better advantage. Now, it is worth mentioning that the Xbox One S controller does come with integrated Bluetooth support, whereas the regular Xbox One controller does not and will require a Bluetooth dongle. Now let's go ahead and get your controller set up, and it's worth mentioning that it's as easy to connect your controller to your PC as it is to your Xbox, so this isn't going to be too difficult for you to follow. So firstly, make sure your Windows 10 has the anniversary update installed, and also make sure your controller is up to date via Windows as well. You can check this by going to Windows Update. Start by pressing and holding the Xbox button to switch the controller on. Once your controller is switched on, open up Windows Settings. You can do this by typing settings into the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Once in settings, click devices. Now once in devices, select Bluetooth and other devices. Now select the add Bluetooth or other device. When inside the add Bluetooth or other device window, select everything else. Your Xbox One S controller should now be one of the options. Select and pair the controller to your PC. And that's all there is to it for your Xbox One S controller. It is now fully set up and available to use in a range of games. However, one downside is that you will not be able to use your Xbox themed headset on this controller whilst connected to the PC. So if you're going to want to use a headset, you're going to have to get a different one. Now, if you, like many others, own a Xbox One controller, then the process is similar to the one we've just explained. You will need to purchase an Xbox One wireless adapter for Windows, but then once you have that, you can set up the controller the exact same way as the Xbox One S. Now, this USB dongle sits in your PC and allows you to connect your controller to your PC. However, there is an added benefit. For example, you can house up to 8 controllers. That's right, if you for some reason want to play 8-player co-op, then you can do it with 8 controllers using this dongle. It also allows you the ability to use your Xbox headset, and you can also use the Xbox app to adjust the settings. So personally, we feel it's a better option to buy the $30 dongle than to buy a completely new controller like the Xbox One S's. And that is really all there is to it, guys. That is how to connect your Xbox One controller to your PC. If this guide helped you all, we would love you to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and we'll see you in the next one.